first button we will code for or write code for is the add button. But before we do that, I think we didn't set the name property of this control. Let's do that. And let's also go to window and set or reset the window layout. Good. Reduce the size of this. And now we select the date, go to the properties, look for the name property and change that to DAT order date. Click save. Now let's double click on add. First we check if a product is selected. What we want to do is this. This data grid view, as I said earlier, will display all the product. There is a customer who is placing an order or making a purchase. When you click on that product, it should first display the details of that product here. And when you click add, it's supposed to add that product to the customer order. So first we have to make sure that a product is selected. So we have check if a product is selected. And I guess you now know how to do that. TST product ID dot test is equal to an empty string. It means a product is yet to be selected. Message box dot show select a product first. Because when a user selects a product, it will automatically fill these text boxes, of which the product ID is one of them. We didn't terminate it. Now we check if quantity is entered. So you select the product, it fills this tray, so you have to enter the quantity. So you have to check whether the user has entered the quantity. And so we have if NUM quantity dot value is equal to 0, then it means he has not done that yet. Message box dot show enter the quantity to proceed. We, as usual, type our return statement. Again, we check if quantity available minus quantity being purchased will not result in a negative will not result in a negative number. So we have var selected product is equal to from P in DB dot, of course, we have to create. Let's go up here and then enter SBS. DB is equal to new SBS. DB dot inventory table, where P dot product ID is equal to, we are converting straight away, convert to int 32 data grid view 1 dot current row dot cells dot value to string. Select P. Now if selected product dot first or default dot quantity dot value minus the quantity the user will enter is less than 0, then a message stock not enough. So what we want to do is we want to check the quantity that the user is buying. We want to compare to what we have in the database. Now if what the customer wants to buy is more than what we have, then there is a message that stock not enough. Return. Next, we check and compute discount, and then we set the new price. We have decimal discounted price. Of course, there is a variable of type decimal. We set the initial value to 0. If NUM discount dot value is unequal to 0, then discounted price this should be value. The assignment operator convert to decimal tst price dot test multiplied by NUM discount dot value divided by 100. So we are computing the discount and we are using that to get the new price that the customer is supposed to pay. Now we can go ahead and update the database. So let's say we have order item is equal to from p in db dot order table, where p dot order id p dot order id is equal to tst order id dot test. Let's go back to the form, select this, go to the name and set the name property to tst order id. The AND operator, p dot item is equal to tst product name dot test. And we can also add the quantity, p dot quantity is equal to tst quantity this should be p dot product okay, quantity is num quantity dot value. Select p. Okay, so we have to convert this to an integer as we did before. We have convert to int 32 and now we have if order item dot count is unequal to 0, then dialog results, that is the name of our object, is equal to, you can call this anything you want to, but I prefer using this. And of course, C# is case sensitive, so this is different from this. Equal to message box dot show the specified product already exists. The specified product already exists in your list. Do you still wish to add space, question mark, close it, comma, and title SBS, comma, message box buttons dot yes, no. If dialog results is equal to dialog result dot no we return. Now we are supposed to create a new order table, that is the order underscore TB object. And this is how we do it. We call the table and the name we want to give to the object, new order is equal to new order table. New order dot order ID and we have tst order ID dot test. New order dot product is equal to product name dot test. Yes, I think we left one of the curly braces out. Sure, so we have to introduce one here. And let's check this. Okay, so this will have to be converted once again. Convert to int 32. New order dot order date is assigned dat order date dot value. Then we have decimal amount, a variable we are creating, is equal to convert, the C should be capital, convert to decimal tst price dot test, and we subtract the discount from it, that is if there is any, and that we created here, the discounted price. Yes, it was created here, so minus discounted price. We then multiply the amount by the quantity.